fix Windows 11 taskbar not working. So if you want to fix Windows 11 taskbar not working or not showing up or not responding, then what you need to do is you just need simply press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and it will open up your task manager. Now, once you open up your task manager, what you need to do is you just need to simply find Windows Explorer. So just go and search for the Windows Explorer. Once you find your Windows Explorer, then you just need to simply go and end the task. You need to just right click on it, and once you right click on it, you will have end task option. You can just simply go and end the task of your Windows Explorer. Once you end the task, now what you need to do is again go with run a new task, which is on the top right. And here you need to enter Explorer.exe and then OK. And after that, it will fix. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you can go with the next option, which is you can again go with a new task, run new task, which is on the top. And here you can just search for regedit and hit the enter. Make sure to click on this box and it will open up your registry editor. Once you open the registry editor, you can just simply go with the computer HK local machine. And under your HK local machine, you need to go with software. And after that, search for Microsoft under your software, which is right here. Now you need to search for Windows. And under your Windows, you will have current version. Just go with current version. And under your current version here, you will have a shell option. So you just need simply scroll down and then find shell. Under your shell, you will have update, and inside the update, you will have packages. Go with packages. And now you need to right click on the space and then go with new and D32-bit value. And here you need to rename that as undocking disabled. And after that, you need to double click on it and set the value data as 1 and go with OK. Now, after that, you need to again go with the taskbar. And on your taskbar, you need to again go with run a new task and then enter the task, which is Explorer.exe, and then create this task with administrative privileges and then go with OK. And now you need to go with this PC, local disk C, and then scroll down and you will find Windows. And under Windows, you need to go with System32 folder. And here on the right side, you need to search CTFMON. And here you need to right click on this and then go with run as administrator. And once you run this as an administrator, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.